Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting required documents and creating digital copies. Scan your Aadhaar and a proof of residence as clear PDFs. Make sure file sizes meet portal limits. Next, log into the Maharashtra e-service portal using Aadhaar OTP or existing login. This authenticates you quickly. Once logged in, choose the Domicile certificate application, then upload the identity and residence scans in the indicated order. This immediate start saves time. Don't skip the photo and signature upload while you're here. Now complete the application form step by step. Enter name, date of birth, parent/spouse details, and current address. Match these to your uploaded documents to avoid rejection. Then select the district office and purpose of certificate. Explain briefly if required. After that, upload any extra proofs like school or employment records. When prompted, pay the prescribed fee using net banking, UP, or card, and note the transaction ID. Make sure to review every field before submitting to prevent delays. Finish by submitting and immediately saving the application ID and receipt. You'll use this to track progress on the portal or via SMS. Once approved, download the domiciliary or provisional certificate, and if required, collect the signed physical copy from the Taluka office. If your application is rejected, read the rejection note carefully, typically missing or mismatched documents, and correct only those items, then resubmit. One tip: if uploads fail, clear browser cache or switch to Chrome and retry. This fixes most portal glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.